In 1912, Austrian tailor Franz Reichelt was convinced he had invented the future of aviation safety, a wearable parachute suit. He secured permission to test it from the Eiffel Tower, despite officials thinking he would use a dummy. But on the day of the demonstration, Franz shocked everyone. He strapped the suit on himself. Crowds and reporters gathered below as he climbed to the first platform. Witnesses begged him not to jump, but he waved them off, confident his invention would work. Tragically, the suit failed. Reichelt fell over 180 feet to his death. Yet there's an odd twist. His demonstration was filmed, and the footage spread worldwide. It inspired real engineers to refine parachute designs, ultimately saving countless aviators' lives in the years to come. Franz didn't survive, but his leap made parachutes a serious pursuit in aviation safety. Like and subscribe for more unbelievable true stories from history.